Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another time with Creating with me. I am Christina Davis. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you did, thank you for coming back. I am today making cups. I had an idea. If you saw my video a couple of weeks ago, I had made a welcome sign for my daughter's birthday party that is coming up. And I decided, instead of the traditional plastic cups, to see if I could design a glass that can go with her actual theme of her party. So if you're looking to create something different and fun for a themed birthday party, or if it's even just a dinner and you want to use plastic or glass, I use an example of both. I'm using glass, and then the other one is like a mason jar. To give you an example of how the effects of the different tones of colors you want to use, how it comes out on both. I am, as you can see now when you're looking at the video, I am prepping everything. Make sure you clean off all your glassware and make sure you have the tools right in front of you. Make sure you have enough plastic and things around you and nothing else is around you. I am a fan of spraying, so I like to use spray paint. But please make sure that you are absolutely not next to everything and everything else is covered. So enjoy the video and I'll pop back in a second. Okay guys, so now we're getting into the painting part of this. I am a sprayer from like the bottom, so make sure that you test your product first before spraying your glass. And I spray it from the bottom because I like the way it spreads evenly around the glass instead of raising it to the top and then spraying it down. If you get a little extra dripping, or maybe you feel like you sprayed a little bit too much, it's okay to damp it with a microfiber cloth. Just make sure you don't do it hard and make sure you do it while it's wet. You never want to adjust paint when it's starting to dry. And make sure you put multiple coatings on top so that way everything blends nicely, especially if you're like me. I'm using multiple colors. I have green, I have purple, I have sparkles. So make sure you put your multiple color balances so that way it shows through perfectly. Make sure when you're doing glitter, make sure you put layers and lightly. You don't have to overdo it. I did the glitter a couple of times. I put a very light base on it first because I wanted to kind of cut through my colors. But then put another and then another and then another, depending on how sparkly or how bright you wanted it. That will let you know how many layers to put. But I kind of wanted to show out like stars at night. So I put a couple of layers in here. And as you can see from the glass and the plastic, you're going to definitely see how they show through differently. But overall, they were both very, very nice. I decided to add my daughter horoscope sign on one of the cups. I will not be doing this for every single cup. I just did it just in case she wanted to use one of the ones that's for the guests. And then she can have it and it'll be personalized for her. But other than that, all the glasses will be plain with the sparkly effects on it. But this one is just a little special touch just to show you how you can kind of lay your vinyl on top of it and it can still look very nice. Okay guys, so this is the fun part but not so fun part. This is where you're putting your coating to protect everything you just did and also make it where you can wash it now. It will be protected, dishwash it, and all your glitter and your paint stays where it's supposed to be. So let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, that was fun, but not fun. But after you finish putting your coat on and you want to take the tape off and make sure you let it dry plenty. But it comes out pretty. I hope you guys like this short tutorial on how to do your glasses for a fun party or any type of event. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.